Not even 1 week, it became #1 on Amazon. Oh my god! What? Hi, I'm Helena from Alpha Korean class. I'm back as promised. And ta-da! I'm back with this book. It's Organic Korean. Today, I will introduce this book as well as the Hangul Day event to you. Then let's get started. Have this ever been you? You've said things like, I have been studying Korean so hard, I should now be able to hold a basic conversation. I should try ordering food in Korean with confidence. And then you went into a Korean restaurant or cafe, but once the conversation started, you got a question you have never heard before and became completely confused. If you just calm down, maybe you will be able to answer the question, but you ended up saying, I don't understand. I can't speak Korean. 몰라요. 한국말 못해요. Did you know? When self-studying a foreign language, we have a tendency to unknowingly focus on just studying the grammar and vocabulary. Due to that, if you come to Korea, for example, or meet up with a Korean for conversation, it is really easy to lose your confidence during actual conversation. This is because there are definitely many cases in everyday conversations where grammar is not used like in textbook, and many things are often omitted too. In such a situation, there are also certain conversational expressions that are bound to be used. In fact, I'm sure that you guys' Korean levels are much better than this. But because of certain fear, you tend to lose your confidence, and that's the reason. So, what should we do? You should become more familiar with vocabulary and expressions that are often used in such situations. Okay? So, the most important thing is being able to hear and recognize those expressions. If you are able to just hear them clearly, then you will not lose your confidence. And then you can find a strategy to respond. Okay? So in that case, all you have to do is find those expressions and practice them, right? So where can you find those situational conversation? Right here. Ta-da! I have created a book that will prepare you for those real-life conversations. Surprisingly, there are not many Korean situational conversation books. Some of the books that actually exist are either awkward or they are so old that they contain expressions that are not often used today. That's why I made one myself. It is a book containing actual natural conversations that Koreans use nowadays. It includes expressions that are frequently used by Koreans in 50 different situations that you all are curious about. You can find your questions here in this how-to list. And if you go to the corresponding unit of the question, you'll find the commonly used expressions related to that situations. Okay. If you use your phone to take a picture of the QR code, an audio file automatically comes out, so you don't even have to search through a long list of downloaded files. But of course, people who like download files can download all the files at once too. Also, at times when studying, you may encounter some sentences that sounds very awkward when translated into English, right? Maybe you think, oh, we don't say things like this in my country. For such expressions, you can understand them better if you get the cultural background behind them. That is why I have included over expressions of the background of each unit, as well as explanation of the context for each expression, so that it will be much easier for you to understand. Another special thing about this book is how much attention went into the design of this book. Doesn't studying a language on your own sometimes get boring and difficult? That is why I like books that have beautiful drawings and colorful designs. And I wanted to make you all experience that kind of joy too. So after some difficulties, I was able to contact a really talented and hot illustrator who draws a beautiful handbook on Instagram. So at the beginning of each unit, there is a beautiful illustrations that represent the contents of each unit. Additionally, I commissioned an excellent designer to do the inside of the book. So the color and the layouts are well matched, very harmonious, and just amazing. Actually, there are lots of books on Amazon where only the front cover is in color, while the rest of the book is black and white. But in order to make a book that you all will enjoy reading, even if that will only be a small profit, I made the entire book in color. Can you feel my love for you all? Okay, so another thing, just studying on your own and practicing speaking all alone is hard to do, right? Don't worry about that. Right now, I'm preparing diligently, okay? From the middle of October, I will upload speaking practice video and the video lesson for each unit on YouTube channel. That way, you will be able to practice speaking and listening to lessons as if you are having a direct one-on-one conversation with me. So I'll finish all the video lessons by December this year, okay? So how does that sound? By buying one book, you will get to speaking practice 50 times and also get 50 free lessons. Incredible, isn't it? Okay, to finish, I will now introduce the Hangul Day event. Okay, the list price for the physical book is $21, while the price of the ebook is $9.99. There is currently a lunch sale on Amazon, so the physical book is going for $18 instead. But even this reduced price might still be too much for some people, right? Then the Hangul Day event is for you. So starting from Hangul Day, 9th October at Korean time, and for a whole week, that means from the 9 to 15 of October, you can purchase the ebook for only $3.99. That gives you a whole 60% discount. You can't miss this sale. Okay, a lot of people have also asked me how they can buy this book in Korea. Originally, I say that if this book becomes #1 on Amazon, I would like to publish it in Korea as well, thinking that it will take a lot of time before it can be published in Korea. However, not even 1 week after the book was released, it became #1 on Amazon. Oh my god! What? Since it is in the foreign language new book category, that means that it ranked the first among all the new foreign language books, including French, Spanish, Japanese, and so on, okay? I had never expected this, so I was really surprised. So everyone, thank you so much. 여러분 정말 정말 감사합니다. Okay, in any case, because of this great news, I'm now going to print the book in Korea. So I'm currently working on making the printed book available for purchase online at 교보문고, 교보 Books, as soon as possible. Maybe it will become available starting next week. So people who want to get the book quickly in Korea, then please send me your email address through the Instagram DM, okay? The Alpha Korean class. Wow. How is that? If you have been waiting for this book, hurry and go grab a copy from Amazon. And before I forget, if you buy the book, please leave a review. It helped me a lot. So please take a picture or a video and leave a review on Amazon, right? So everyone, I'll be back next time with an even more useful video. Then have a great day. Bye. 안녕. 감사합니다.